नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल जरूरी जानकारी में। Hello friends, today we are talking about ransomware. By now all of we have heard of the global ransomware attack. It has created a lot of confusions in the mind of computer users. Over 60,000 companies of more than 100 countries have become the victim of this malware. So how this ransomware works and what are the possible solutions? So please see the full video. The term ransomware itself gives the idea of its nature. It is somehow related to some kind of ransom. Yes, exactly, it is. It is a type of malware which gets into your computer and locks down all the files. Afterwards, it seeks for money from the users in order to get access to the logged files. The recent ransomwares are smarter than ever. It just not only locks down the files, rather it encrypts the files, which makes it really impossible to crack open the logged file. As a result, the users do not have any other way to regain access to their logged files but to pay the money and get the decryption code. So how does it get into your computers? The easiest to get into someone's computer is through attachment of spam emails or by entering into any unknown links. The extensions of these files are different than the conventional files. Usually users turn off the file extensions so they cannot know what kind of files they are clicking on. The virus files pretends like a doc file or any other text file. But if you turn on the file extensions of your computer, you will see that the file extensions are different. As you click on the files, all your data start encrypting and eventually asking you for ransom. In case if you are interested, these are the possible real extensions of ransom files, like example .ecc, .ezz, .exx, .zzz, .xyz, .aaa, .abc, .xxx. This kind of some example of the ransomware extended files. The recent ransomware which is causing mass loss is known as WannaCry. How to recover a ransomware infected computer? Well, for now there is no way to open the encrypted files. As I mentioned earlier, you have to pay through bitcoins in order to get decryption codes. So you have to know about safety measures to be safe from this malware. The safety measures is: first, keep your operating system up to date. Second one, keep your antivirus up to date. Create a backup for the most important files either in a secured hard drive or in a secured cloud storage. Do not open any email attachment from the unknown senders. Be careful while opening and downloading from any other third-party unknown websites. So please be safe and stay safe. Thank you.